Hi friends! Today I wanted to show you how to make a fun little craft. I'm going to call it a nature bracelet. And it's an easy thing you can do. You can go around your yard and collect some fun treasures like flowers or leaves or grass. And a lot of the little weeds have some pretty flowers on them. I have a few that I got to choose for my bracelet. So you can go on a little treasure hunt and find some fun things. And then we're going to add it to our bracelet. Once you have collected some of your treasures, then you'll need some tape. There are all kinds of tape you can use. Doesn't matter which one you choose. Just one that has enough to wrap around your wrist. Make sure your sticky part is on the outside, because then you're going to add your treasures. And you can just stick your beautiful nature treasures on your bracelet. These little clovers kind of look like hearts. Can you see them? These are some pretty little flowers here. And you just keep adding and keep adding. This guy doesn't want to stay. But stick as many things on as makes you happy. You could even put on some grass. Stick that over there. And you add as much as you like. And then after you've put your bracelet together and you have it on, have your mom or dad take a picture, because I would love to see what you created. Have fun, friends!